NBC News producer Greg Katz was there and discovered that when it comes to the war on terrorism, these artists draw their own conclusions.
So wonderful.
September 11th, I think, was enormous.
This is kind of our Vietnam.
I never want to see that plane crashing on its way to the building again.
And I think you can really tell when cartoonists are really putting their heart into their work, and it's all over the walls here.
Cartoonists have done a wonderful job of exploring all of the issues arising from September 11th, the tragedy and the horror and the sadness.
You feel the same anguish and emotional turmoil that everybody else goes through. And sometimes you're chomping at the bit so much it's hard to think straight, and you really have to step back, get a cool head.
That doesn't look like an original. You know what? I don't think it is. I think it's a print. I was hungry once we got away from the sadness of it all to kind of start doing cartoons where you started kind of questioning government or questioning, Bush policies, instead of the rah-rah, let's go get those, evil terrorists.
And I know that when I did my cartoon on September 11th and all the days right after that, or immediately following that, I really was very, very upset, and I felt sick the whole week.
Just about every issue will somehow be affected by this. Cartoons dealing with government now and Congress, inevitably it's going to come back to terrorism.
Editorial cartooning is a form of journalism, but what it does is it's a catalyst. It's an agent that makes people think about the issues and hopefully lures the reader into the political process.
And that is a side of the war we haven't seen much, as seen through the eyes of political cartoonists.